upbeat background music. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a face-off between two mini drones that are ready to take flight and battle it out for your hard-earned cash. On the left, we have the DEERC D20 mini drone, and on the right, the ATTOP W10. Let's see which one flies higher in our books. First up, let's talk about the camera. The DEERC D20 boasts a 720p HD camera, which is great if you're still living in 2010. Reviewers mention that it's decent for basic photography and casual fun. Meanwhile, the ATTOP W10 steps up the game with a 1080p HD camera and a 120 degrees wide view. That's right, folks. The W10 is basically the drone equivalent of putting on your grandpa's glasses and realizing you've been blind your whole life. Reviewers rave about its clarity and wide-angle capabilities, making it a favorite for capturing stunning aerial shots. Next, let's dive into ease of use. The DEERC D20 is marketed as the best drone toy for kids, and it really lives up to that. With one key start, landing, and altitude hold, it's like the drone is saying, "Don't worry, I've got this." Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly controls, making it perfect for beginners and kids. But wait, the ATTOP W10 isn't just sitting on the sidelines. It supports toss to launch, so you can literally throw it into the air and it will start flying. Plus, it has one key takeoff and landing, making it super easy to control, even for those of us who still struggle with opening a pickle jar. Reviewers note its innovative features that make flying a breeze, even for first-timers. Moving on to advanced features. The DEERC D20 has some cool tricks up its sleeve, like 3D flips and waypoint flying. It's like the drone equivalent of doing a backflip while solving a Rubik's Cube. Reviewers find these features entertaining and fun for casual flying. But the ATTOP W10 is here to say, hold my propellers. This thing has headless mode, 360 degrees free flip, trajectory fly, and 3-gear speeds. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. You can do flips, fly in any direction without worrying about the drone's orientation, and even pretend you're in a Fast and Furious movie with high-speed modes. Reviewers are particularly impressed with its versatility and range of features. Safety first, folks. The DEERC D20 comes with low-power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards. It's like the drone is wrapped in bubble wrap, ready to protect itself from your clumsy flying skills. Reviewers appreciate these safety features, especially for younger users. The ATTOP W10, not to be outdone, also comes with propeller guards and a low battery alarm. But it takes it up a notch, with high-quality ABS material blades and a one-key return function. Basically, this drone is like, don't worry, I won't let you crash me into a tree again. Reviewers find these added safety features reassuring, making it a reliable choice for both kids and adults. Now, let's talk about the price. Both drones come in at around $69. Yep, you heard that right. It's like these drones are saying, you don't need to break the bank to get some high-flying fun. Reviewers for both products agree that they offer great value for the price, making them accessible options for anyone looking to get into drone flying. Overall, reviewers find the DEERC D20 mini drone to be a fantastic entry-level option, especially for kids and beginners. It's durable, easy to fly, and offers decent features for its price. On the other hand, the ATTOP W10 receives praise for its advanced camera, user-friendly controls, and versatile features. Although some users experienced issues with control and functionality. Both drones are highly recommended for their respective strengths, offering great value and fun for different types of users. So there you have it, folks. The DEERC D20 mini drone and the ATTOP W10 go head-to-head in a battle of the skies. If you're looking for a drone with a better camera and more advanced features, the ATTOP W10 is your go-to. But if you want something simple and perfect for kids, the DEERC D20 won't disappoint. Either way, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying and buy smart. Upbeat background music fades out.